How to remove bank account on Google Pay. So in order to start doing that, you just need to go ahead and open up the wallet official page, and then of course make sure to have a Google account, because without it you won't be able to set anything up. And after that, just press on this button, set up payment methods. And you'll be taken to this page, and in here you will have your payment methods, your cards, and other things. So as you can see, this is just a dummy account of mine, and I don't have currently any bank accounts connected to this one. But if you do, you just pretty much remove your payment method, whether that's your Visa or your MasterCard, for example. And then, of course, along with your card, your bank account will also be removed as well. And if you wish to add that card back again, you will, of course, need to proceed with the usual verification method and do everything from the scratch. So just pretty much just go to the payment methods right over here. Okay, so I'm just going to, sorry for this language. So as you can see, payment methods, and in here you can just remove any of the cards and bank accounts that you currently have connected. That's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy the video. If it helped, like and subscribe.